Normal kan yam kana diala content barwani lingwasame bana jome bana jo kwen kel joba lingwasame jo mashalat self care mayardit ajen bana kweno ka jalera me en walle shanka wal baro ka pay baro ron kina dangro wide jan dangro wide diech bana leran bana jalin kel shetkatin content la kon kaling anda manduni chankos nyak go jan wo bana jome bana jalin kel jome be ka kiir mayardit shirka manana ngai kone en wo kiir mayardit ke jan gwasme gore jan wode malder ben rey wicha ka South Sudan bana je chulin kel President Kiir called for peace talk with opposition ahead of 2026 election. Kiir mayardit chanat cholono ka kwimalka and wode mal de jalat ken ronkin dangro jan dangro bakel ken ne chop rondana ba queen kware ba je tokaje ka joma chala de kiir mayardit gwasame jana shola ne dialtin la opposition group kinetin content ka bonti goal ne te konte sha banyarar no ne di sha banyarar ka ne te konte sha ladan wo shimal chikana wo gorno de kana wala tray which kana Nairobi ka tuman peace initiative kiir mayardit chala de no shole ke Bejakwen. President Salva Kiir has asked all opposition groups who are still outside the peace deal to come forward for dialogue and reconciliation. He said peace and unity are important as the country prepares for election in 2026. Chola kakan bondi alatin wo yen lonya jok biare mala chana mal chana elat kel. Ano Kiir mayardit lada jo mishirkane me ke Wednesday ke shanga diok. Gwad mi mo lab ke parliamentin. Chane dial chaga chola no Naath akala de lonko ba mal bajunong. President Kiir made this call on Wednesday during the reopening of Parliament, which had been closed for 6 months. Ala Parliament Kiir luambor shaja gakchetene ka pati shoka bakel ne ka gwase dan e ba Dr. Machar ba kule yen kaje cha Parliament chaja kapchong. Na mene gwase dan Kiir mayardit che gorno ba mal baje yar kaje. Bana utin no walle chana mandana Kiir mayardit jalat gwas me chana je gorno bu kon linkel. Ajane shole bondi alte sha gagra te chit gwa malka me cha tan koron kina dangre wal badak men chalke revitalize peace agreement chaga cholo no bia ka kume bana mal bana je bilhat kel ko madan kondial ba kon jako bi kon mal bana je nung re dwaran che nyogo lat bon wonene ajane kume da en Kiir mayardit last PLM ajane an ready lo charore yale kelungo no gore jeno ba tidialan kon tin cha lugno walki cha banyarar ba ga dil mat gwaskel chit kon tame gorge jeno ba dij ba mat gwaskel ne dialten kon tin la jikor ka bondial re wika South Sudan gore yeno yen biaben ka party kume mantetin ke mantatin en Kiir mayardit ka jawrana chalat chol ne dialan no amal je gorge no ba jalat Kiir mayardit asked the opposition group who did not sign the 2018 peace agreement to join the government and work together for peace and development. He also said that the government is ready to allow opposition fighters to join the national army. Chika jo chalingwat me jene kende India la konte cha dongrar ko bonte ko ne cha gor Kiir poinde jene entam gor jano borin mat national army shirme ngai kono no gor ke jano de ne dia la de India la konte te ka opposition group chirka jikuma spela yo de ga mat gwaskel chikem yadi te jomo che jalat duno ngai kono Kiir mayardit che gor no te mal deben chitka mendan en ngai kono ka kor gwasedan duno na me jom judit me pilot kala da je ka shang wal bakel and point de Kiir mayardit ajen dobe dane shalat ke je gwade sha parliament cha nyoko muto ko jetin ke cha jelep ko jen cha je gangno wal tele jawra mulyanka our people are suffering. We should not let this suffering continue because of refusing to talk. President Kiir told member of parliament, joy leaders, diplomats, and civil society in Juba. Jalan wone konshushka long and Kiir mayardit kachagwan wode ka wewenyam komishushken. Chanedi konte la kwa lwe kusni, chanedi konte la kwa kume, kanedi alti konte la jo nentin konte re wika South Sudan, la civil societies, key activists, wa cheka la roj mchit kanamon, wo chana let kel ko bana mal bana je nung re wika South Sudan, ka bana kur dana tuok bana je kapchong re wika South Sudan. Chanyo roi gwasa menene, talk with opposition stop in February. Ala gwade rane che kem yadin meche roche kap chong kap je chong pairo che me ngai konon meche kor meche tuok no shu opposition group chu riding chu je kap chong che commented to man peace initiative chu roje mo ke le chu je gorno be je kap chong Kiir mayardit ngai konte di ale konde che Kiir mayardit ka roje dane chalat janicha gurno betike tok mi ba continue ki raj mal mi ba continue ko jen ramadan en gurno dere yen chejek Dr. Riek Machar ko ka gwan mi ber gurno mo dere yen Dr. Riek Machar ba telewe jen dan ko nen o tit man peace initiative teten right nan wo ba mal ba jen no man peace initiative jen the only hope ke South Sudan but chabintede chabinjak jen ku kon nen ko gwase dan ci bondi alte contextual ka wolat group shika wo mat gwaskel ke Nairobi ko de kan mal de kan lat kel ke kirma yadit ajene shi kon tunen teorin mo ke bon mishal ke UPA United People Alliance mishwa kwere chwa de kwanye kan mishal ka pagana mum no kan tinine sha ka ban gagrar ka gwase da ne sha Dr. Machar me chaje yenten munyo den wodi alatu man peace initiative jene symbol jen shi mi gor kan wode wo gonya ma jen mi chaye kapchong chu manatama no ka jomo chalat gwaseme gurjo and wabaje kwenye nyok talk English before the government held talk with a group of opposition leaders including the United People Alliance or UPA led by Pagana Mum, but the peace talk in Nairobi, Kenya stopped in February 2025 after the government asked for more time to prepare for the extended transitional period. John Jowadane Shalat ka jomo ren mishalat gwaseme Dr. Martini Lalumoro ngai conductor Martini Lalumoro ben yarmani shanga jin wudeme jen wude dan elaro te kan warte loke kirma yadit wudeme ramkel minni nuare magorno de nuade kanak of course to succeed along bako ba nuar ba kanak ajan muku yana nen naka nuare ka Nasser naka nuare ka Pangak naka nuare bane wone ka Unity State so wudeme che nuare da kreo ajana te ke tishal ke hostile counties kan nuare cho bangwan ka friendly counties tete tinno ke kim yadit so chanuari ga daganjen ka jomo chalat gwaseme Dr. Martin Lalumoro who speak for the government at the talk say they need time to make plan in Juba but the UPA group say the government is not serious about peace chirmeshanena gwade ran me chi ken ngari kana alt la mal dungtuman peace initiative me yegana kapchong kap kana shon ko tem gor kana obikana olat melat kana gor kana ba opposition party chikes fele mayo ba jo jujre woch ajene sha chune no shiki chu succeed chicken kuma spila yo chicken yara latok ko chicken Dr. Riek Machar chicken yen chumena to mongo da ite yen mukuna lo rajano de Dr. Machar de jedelun some peace talk is still not finished. President Salva Kiir said not all promises in the 2018 peace deal are finished, but he also says some good things have been done, like building new government offices and trying to solve local conflict. Jo shaling gwatme generation me cha mal cha ja kapchong te ga tung go ti kuma kalat no chang me te ga tung wana kalat ke 2018 revitalized peace agreement genete tung wan ti kuma kalat ba shit ko wache kume aladul kume wache ga nyolani shit ke dul content la office ni nyin kuma jenna me mugo bolong bogo ku kuma ka enkir ma yadit anyo gwasa me chiga nyogo right ka kwilet oil and economy problem which South Sudan. Kiir also spoke about the country economic problem. He said the temporary shutdown of oil production caused problems like late salary payment and poor service, but now he said oil production has started again. He told the vice president in charge of the economy to pay the money owed to civil servants and security forces to fix basic public service. Jo shalingwa same chikim yadi ladno men peno bana bika kap ka South Sudan. Ke salaries ke yo ala do brand civil service de kam yo ken chit ke ngech chit ke ne kon la de ni ajani o cha oil production cha ja kapchong ke cha kong le cha ja kapchong so na mo ajane gapkel mishi kuma cha ja yar ke che salary payment cha ja yar ajane tam ko cha oil production cha nyo muto ko je antam ba ne dial content re ka South Sudan ba ko ja ko bi ka kap ke yo ka jo dana chalat ka jo chikir me yadi nyolat gwasme tie kuma international community eno de je jako bi ka kokamet taken in Norway, the UK, the USA, the European Union, can Africa Union no Madadodun, Jaka Kum South Sudan ko biakok biane Jacobine kokamech, ko bene wit bene gang. Question no gang wikangane. And gang wikan where ko jando bran go kim yadit and go there na there can nekaje. A jando bran a lereje and long and kim yadit. Kiir also spoke about better relation with Sudan on trade and border issues and says South Sudan will keep working with Ethiopia, Kenya and Uganda jawo dan en chalat point en kir mayardit eneme ajan buga let kel kana kume Kenya ke kume Ethiopia ke kume Uganda ko beken nyagat beken lat kamniken anyaw chikan nyaw lat banwo gor kano beken etin konin ka border lan were beken ka joch ko chol kan etin wo kan edi jek la chol kan were kan edi jek jo me jo mi chalat en point en kir mayardit ka do badan en chalat ke je the Speaker of Parliament, Jema Nunu Kumba, said the people are suffering from unpaid salaries and poor services. She asked the government to act quickly. Cardinal Stephen Ameyu Martin Mula, a Catholic leader in Juba, asked South Sudan leader to reject division and work together for peace. Jo chalat gwaseme, shiga chalke Jema Nunu Kumba, jani jiram dan la roika parliament. Teka jo mchalat ngo tije kumen ngo deken pet, ka dobran and de yu deka tup je deka community kontila civil servant, ki ladin content rei, which cha yu cha gadi delay. Jala temo ko cha parliament cha kunyo kumile apkoje, dio je no bukumba ko focus ko ba yo ba community kontilet rei which ka South Sudan. Ramkel milat ka Catholic Church kiran lwakot no cha jorin cha nyo lad bono tije kumu South Sudan ngo nene yen kume jana pala da kam no kun chwa na chwa ga dak go no jeno bi malba ben re we ka South Sudan anyo gwaseme la rejo banaling peace is still fragile between Kiir and Machar. President Kiir and first Vice President Riek Machar signed a peace deal in 2018 and formed a transitional government, but the relationship has not been easy. In March 2025, Kiir put Machar under house arrest, accusing him for supporting a rebellion. Some of Machar top allies were also arrested. Mulingan magwasa me adobe dan Asia Dr. Machar cha yen kaje kashanga jandang ro bakel ka paidok ron kin dangro jandang ro de Kiir mayardit gwa me che Dr. Machar che gwanten en Kiir eno Dr. Machar jamat kel kene Nuer wayami mi cha jik bon wona me kach che tok telecharge mi cha kam Dr. Machar me ngoda mo duel yena kelo yena mi jen wo jen free ka jo machala chala do dio jen wo bi neti konti la jongon bi ko focus ten tama ko ba jelon en Dr. Machar jo me agenda na gode nywa ye kel chuje pore juno jen bi channel bi subscribe ten ka bi notification bell bi je twany gora ben wo bi share bi ja to bi ka kor ga mi chala tok an bi ataka mal en manun chan ko nyak bye bye.